Hi, this is Karen, and today I am going to share with you a favorite lunch that I have been eating. It's just so easy and it's so fresh and so delicious. There are very few ingredients, and I would just love to share this with you because I figure if I love it, you might love it too. It's easy to make, so here we go. Okay, let's start with our ingredients. Right here we have extra lean ground turkey. It's about 4 ounces. And then this beautiful orange, delightful sauce is my bell pepper sauce, which essentially consists of 1 yellow pepper, 1 red pepper, half of a yellow onion chopped up, put in a pan, cup chicken broth, simmer the vegetables, and then pop it in your Vitamix. Add some salt and pepper, and you've got yourself one delicious, nutritious sauce. Now the main event here is my spaghetti squash, and what I'll do is this has just been roasted, and we'll just put that in the base of the bowl and then add our sauce, our extra lean ground turkey, and then this beautiful, gorgeous green chimichurri, which contains arugula, cilantro, parsley, lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chicken broth, and you throw that in your, don't throw it, but put it in your food processor, and you get this nice, I like mine not super smooth, so it has just a little bit of a rustic nature to it. I am going to put this all together and show you just how lovely this lunch is. Stay tuned. So I just wanted to show you my turkey in the pan here, simply because what I've done is just crumble it into small pieces, and so those kind of act like little mini meatballs, which is much easier than putting a patty on top of your spaghetti squash. You'll see in just a minute. And 2 more things before you make this lunch for yourself someday. Number 1, please make your food with love. It makes all the difference. And secondly, don't forget to pray over your food before you eat, to bring up the calibration and really make it a sacred and wonderful, not just delicious experience. And here it is, the finished product. Spaghetti squash, pepper sauce, extra lean ground turkey, and chimichurri. It is absolutely delicious. I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for joining me today on my very first lunch video. Bon appetit!